everybody, welcome to the Archer. My name's Natty and I'll be touring you around inside. The Archer is based in Mansfield and it's a fully operating pub. And this is the bar area. That's where people usually sit here and have drinks and socialize. In here, we serve all kinds of drinks here, such as wine, pints, fizzy drinks. At the Archer, I'm here to study hospitality and catering, art skills, and functional skills such as maths, English, and IT. And down here, this is where all the cold drinks and frozen food are kept safe in storage. We call the cellar. This here is behind the scenes of how we bring all the beer and wine barrels to the front pubs upstairs. My favorite thing about being at the Archer is serving a lot of people food or drinks front of house. And this room here is the kitchen, where the main staff here learn how to cook. Hey there, Bob.
Hi, Natty.
You mind if I have some pork pies?
Of course you can, Natty. They've just come up the oven, so they're going to be warm.
All of our fresh produce here is all come from our farm, Appenall. It's different to any other college environment out there, and the staff here are very great to me.